Hi, I'm Steve Towns, CEO and Chairman of ACL Airshop. We're a worldwide services company taking care of cargo fleets all over the world with control products like pallets, containers, straps, and nets, and logistics technology programs at 54 of the top 100 airports on 6 continents. We're exhibiting here because we are a legacy manufacturing company in South Carolina, and by golly, we're going to keep it that way. I've been doing trade shows for 39 years. Skyline is the best service company for trade shows that I've ever worked with. For me, like I said in my presentation on TV earlier today, working with other companies is always about people. I think other companies could deliver the raw work that Skyline does, but it's the energy and entrepreneurialism of their organization that I respect very much. The elevator pitch for ACL Airshop is simple. We are the largest and best in the world for cargo control products when you really need a few in a pinch.